Ramsey, here we come! Oh my God!
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Are you alright?
Use your core!
I need a stretcher.
Do you have anything to say after that amazing run?
I got ice all in my face. I'm glad there are no cars coming. Well, babe, be careful. Good Lord.
She's up!
Did you see how fast I'm
She's
going?
up! Oh yeah, I saw you.
I'm coming, Dr. Ramsey.
Alright, Faithy.
I went fast.
You did good. Well, that's good. Alright, Chuck. Watch out, Mom.
I
I can ski better.
I'll bring this to you.
I'm a better skier.
Yeah, you definitely are.
Are you gonna come down? Oh God.